So what we're going to do today is we are going to make a strawberry Nutella crepe. So we're going to get a cleaning to clean things up here because we don't want any kind of color on the banana. We want the banana to be nice and white. So when it goes on the plate, it doesn't have any kind of flaws to it. So here we go, and we will cut the banana up, get it all prepped so we can put it in the crepe. This is going to be the banana Nutella, so we have our batter made. I'm going to put some oil on the grill here, and I'm going to get a nice some fresh batter to go here, and I have to be really quick with that to make sure I get it turning so I can get a nice even look to the crepe. And sometimes if you go too slow, it starts to get caught and it messes the crepe up. So this is a beautiful crepe. Came out looking really good. Look at that. It's working really good. Still a little damp. Don't want to mess it up. Give it a little more time and then we can flip it over. And we want a nice brown color to it. We don't want it to get too dry. So let me try getting under there again. It's feeling good. So it's all ready to flip. So we got it brown there, and I'll show you how I flip it to where more of the brown will show. So I'll do the fold from the top and then get more of the brown, because when it goes out to the customer, sometimes it depends on the effect you want. Some people like to see the browning, some people don't mind it being white, and it depends on what you're serving with the crepe will determine what kind of expression you want to give with the crepe. So here we go, we're going to do some Nutella on it. And one of the things that I try to do is I try to make sure that I'm not putting too much on, because you know, I once the person made me a crepe and they had it was super gaudy and super stuffed with all this with the filling, and it was actually too much. So we try to make the batter so that the batter tastes really good, and we want everything about the crepe to taste good. So we try and set it up so it's not overly one way or another. So here we go. One of the things that I like to do is to put distribute the strawberries and put bananas in between to give it a nice look. So we'll put a banana between each of the strawberries, and then we're gonna put some of our strawberries in the very back, and some strawberries and bananas mixed in the back, and we'll do some of the small ones because we want to keep those large ones so that we can put them out front on the top of the crepe. So as you notice, here we go. This is where the lighter part of the crepe is, and then when I fold it again, you'll see a little more of the darker part. But sometimes I even, if it's darker on the other side, I'll even flip it over. So I get under the crepe real delicately and put it on the plate, and I want to tear that off so that it looks nice and clean. So here I go. I'm going to put strawberries on. So you see I'm putting those nice big strawberries so it looks beautiful, and when the customer will get the crepe, most of the time when they get the crepe, they're oohing and ahhing, and it's really exciting to see. And you see this, the bananas are nice and white, so it's clean. So then I'll put some powdered sugar over it to give it that nice celebratory look. I put the chocolate drizzle, and then I do some almonds over it. Now what we do is we are going to put some whipped cream right at the tip of the crepe. We put some whipped cream. And so there goes the whipped cream. And that is a strawberry Nutella crepe. Very beautiful.